Designing a garden that attracts and supports birds involves more than just providing feeders. By incorporating native plants, you create a sustainable habitat that offers food, shelter, and nesting sites. Native plants are adapted to local conditions and support local wildlife, making them ideal for bird-friendly gardens. This guide explores how to design a garden for birds using native plants, including key elements, practical tips, and the benefits of creating a bird-friendly habitat. Practical tips for creating a bird-friendly garden. Layered planting. Use a variety of plant heights to create a layered effect that mimics natural habitats. Clusters. Plant in clusters to provide more cover and foraging opportunities. Leave leaf litter. It provides habitat for insects and foraging ground for birds. Dead trees and branches. If safe, leave them as they offer nesting sites and food sources. Pesticides and herbicides. These can harm birds and reduce insect populations, which are crucial for many bird species. Organic practices. Use organic gardening methods to maintain a healthy ecosystem. Benefits of a bird-friendly garden. Biodiversity. Native plants support a variety of birds, insects, and other wildlife, promoting a balanced ecosystem. Pest control. Birds help control pests naturally, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Water conservation. Native plants are adapted to local climate conditions, often requiring less water and maintenance. Soil health. These plants improve soil structure and fertility, supporting overall garden health. Birdwatching. A bird-friendly garden offers endless opportunities for observing and enjoying bird behavior. Educational value. Learning about local bird species and their needs can be a rewarding experience. Conclusion. Creating a bird-friendly garden with native plants is a rewarding endeavor that supports local wildlife and enhances your outdoor space. By carefully selecting native trees, shrubs, flowers, and grasses, and providing essential resources like water, shelter, and supplemental food, you can create a thriving habitat for birds. Use these tips to design a garden that invites and sustains a variety of bird species, bringing your garden to life with their presence and activity.